Hello everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, Mercedes-Benz, and we're going to be doing another vehicle walk-around tour. Today we're going to be highlighting the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This comes in a denim blue metallic exterior color, and inside we'll show you in just a sec. It's got a macchiato beige interior. So today's video is going to do kind of a quick little walk around, show you some of the interior and exterior features of the vehicle. And if you're interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So just showing some of the badging, got our blind spot assist there, your Mercedes-Benz wheels. We can also customize wheels. I don't know if you're aware of that. We have an on-site technician that can do any paint work or any repair. Always love to chat with you about that if you currently own a Mercedes-Benz, or if you're interested in this vehicle and want to customize those wheels yourself, we can do that. So kind of this like two-tone beige and then kind of like a dark gray. Some nice accent stitching you'll see here. We've got power memory seats and heated seats as well for both driver and passenger here. Got your light controls, parking brake. No sunroof in this vehicle. Go ahead and hop inside here. Mileage currently at 23,312. Got a push button ignition. Alright, so here's our steering wheel. I kind of walk you through some of the controls here. So do have a full touchscreen here, so you can control it using the touchscreen itself. We also have controls right here on your steering wheel. On this right side here, you got a home button that'll bring up the home screen. And then a little touchpad here, so you can slide left and right and up and down, and then actually push down to select. And back button goes back. Below that, you've got your volume controls as well as Bluetooth and cell phone controls to accept or decline a call. Over here on the other side, got a very similar set of controls with the home button, touchpad, and the back button. And this controls your driver interface here. So let's press the home button, and then I'm using this little touchpad here. Same as the other side, really. Slide left and right. And so you want to say you want to, I don't know, change your radio station or something. You can easily click that and then, move up and down to change the radio station. Below that, we've got our cruise control settings here. We've got paddle shifters on either side. Then behind that, you've got your wiper controls, both a front and rear windshield wiper, as well as your turn signal. And then on this other side, you've got your shifter. So you flip up for reverse, which then activates your backup camera. There's quite a few different cameras here. You see the rear view, you also got the overhead view, and then you can select a different rear view, side views, front. There's also parking assist, which we'd love to show you how that works. Definitely very, very handy. Then you press down for drive, and then push in for park. Alright, so back to our display. So we've got our radio here. You can also connect a cell phone or any other device. You've got various seat settings you can change here, as well as all of your vehicle settings. Definitely a ton to cover here. We won't go over all this here today, but if you have any questions, if you're curious, we'd love to chat with you. Always reach out to us on our website or give us a call. Below your display, you've got your climate control buttons here. Pretty self-explanatory for the most part. We also have a menu that you can click, which then opens up a full climate menu, which of course you can, use your touchscreen or steering wheel controls. There's also a third way to control everything on your display, which is in your center console. You've got a touchpad here, so again, swipe left, right, up and down, and then actually press down to select. Okay, so while we're down here, we've got a USB connection, a little power adapter, cup holders, and then with your center console, you also have your dynamic select switch here. So you just flip that up or down, and that'll switch between the different performance modes, which affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. There's also some quick access buttons here for that parking assist, vehicle settings, navigation, radio, cell phone, and whatnot. All right. Go ahead and show you rear seats here next. I just really love that two-tone look. Definitely very sharp. So, rear seats. Do another quick peek back up front. Alright, let's go around to the back. Get your badging, GLA 250, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC. That rear windshield wiper, and a power opening and closing trunk. And then push button to close. So once again, this is the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. It is for sale. If you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.